Officer and from Rosebank and Generation 2025. And I am a start with this project. My feeling this project have happy and enjoy for the work and communication. I learned about social that about communication, work, time management, and time management. About hard skill, learn about Jira, Git, GitHub, about for the code, function, PHP, function, database, and the controller tools. For me, that's all.
Hello everyone, my name is Yumi. I'm from class A 2025 in Group 7 of Visual Company 1 project. I'm a developer in the team. For my feeling in this project is happy because I start doing the big school project with real customer and real system with a good team. And after finish this project, I'm very enjoy because my team can complete this project on time. However, we cannot complete and make this project good at all, but we can do it. I have learned a lot from this project, both hard skill and soft skill. About the hard skill, like database, we use database for store data table. It have used for store code, it used for commit code, and Jira we use for time management and task management. SAM we use for connect with database, and Visual Code we use for write code, and also PHP on basic structure and MySQL. Most of them that we use for our project. And about the soft skill, I have learned about teamwork, time management, responsibility, task management. That we work together very well and support together when the team member have a problem and do the research for complete our project, and also have good communication too. For me, that's all.
Hello everyone, my name is Hamid. My group is QA of Group 7, graduation 2025, and my fear is first time the visual project. I feel not that because the first time for working with a real customer and a real system. And after completing the project, I feel happy and more confident in my skill. And during the project, I learned many hard skills such as using the OmniSpace feature and working with PHP, MySQL, and using the JavaScript and library like data table and query and QA testing and clean the code. And we also use development tools such as Visual SAM, Jira, Git, and GitHub. For soft skill, I improve my teamwork, communication, time management, and commitment. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Suklip. I am a DevOps manager in this project, and I'm from Group 7, and I am a student of Generation 2025. For this project, for my feeling is excited and very happy because it is a real project and the first time that I complete this project and real customer too. And for this project, I learned about soft skill and hard skill. For the soft skill, I learned about go communicate with team and time management in this project. And for the hard skill, I learned about some function and some tool like Jira, GitHub, and PHP also.
Hello everyone, my name is Jigabra. I'm from Group 7, and in this project my role is Git management, and I'm a student Generation 2025. In this project my feeling is so good because when I do this project, I do with customer and with my team also. In this project, I learned a lot of so I listen to point like hard skill and soft skill. For the soft skill, I learned about teamwork, time management, and task management. And about the hard skill, I learned some programming language like PHP, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We use it for the build the web application for the customer. When we build the web application, we need to design. For my team, use Figma for the design also.
Welcome to demo our project AI system. Now, when user or admin can do complete email then register already, but user not email for it can register, complete name, email password, and so on. But I have account already. I log in for Gmail admin and password. So now this is PA system. Now it's dashboard. Then PA system have two dashboard that important stock category, history order, payment, and user then login. Now that the dashboard, then dashboard store value that total order, stock order, and total product, and have dashboard and have chatbot for to store order updates. Now move to product. Then product can to order for product that user to need order. Now I order product, can click button order, can choose 40 that units, click order. Now you complete the time, name, email, and phone to submit. Now you can order already. You can show in history product. For the category, for create product, get admin to input for product for user to order, and for stock to create stock for the product by one, that for page for product that show, for category that to take that categories to add map of our drinks and more. For the payment that to store total price, that order, and customer to order, and user to store admin or account that you log in for the account system, and you can click in your profile, can edit, delete. So now I create product for you. The name product, price, that for to input products, categories, choose image for product. When you click complete already, you can submit. Now you can show the product you input. You can edit price, yes, you can edit already. You can delete or remove the product. You can rate the product that you want to know. You can like about product best. For the stock, you can create. Now I create the stock page that for input. You can complete already for the form. You can submit. Now you can create stock already. So you can see about product that you in stock. Now I show you about the user for to log in. For the user login can log in for page that have product, stock category, and history of the tabs and profile tools. For the customer or login or employee that login not create product or stock category tools because the product for to order my one. For the application system, these are section